In this lesson, we'll take a deep dive into the keyword search functionality of this tool. Let's begin. With keyword search, you can quickly gather all the variations to your seed keyword. This can often give you better keywords to target. As I've mentioned before, this data comes from Google's own API. It's not an in-house algorithm, so it's the best you can get. That data includes essential metrics such as CPC, keyword difficulty, search volume, and competition. Keyword search comes with a range of basic and advanced filters to help you slice and dice the data any way you want. It also enables you to save your keyword lists so you can grab them later when you need them creating your content. Let's create a new search. The search bar contains 3 tabs: keyword, domain, and wildcard. These are the types of searches you can perform. Keyword search is the default. Next to that, you have a drop-down where you can set your target language, choosing from over 45 different languages. And next to that, you have a drop-down where you can set your target location. To save time in future searches, you can save your target language and location as the default if your target market is generally always the same. To run a search, simply enter any seed keyword into the search box and hit search. In your search results screen, you can click the textbook mode feature to the on position to see tooltips whenever you hover over any underlined elements. And just so you know, all the detailed explanations and use cases are included in the Learning Hub in the top right of the screen. Don't forget to check those out. The top panel in the main body is the SERP's overview. Here you can see the top results for your seed keyword. You can use your competitors' articles as a reference to create content that has a good possibility of ranking. Below that, you have an overview chart where you can see search trends for your seed keyword. This gives you the ability to quickly gauge whether your chosen keyword is seasonal or on an upward or downward trend. The Search Volume tab shows the average monthly search volume, and the Trends tab shows the frequency of a particular search term compared to its total search volume over time. This number is represented on a scale of 1 to 100. And as you probably guessed, this data comes directly from Google Trends. The cards on the left display detailed metrics related to your seed keyword. The search volume card shows volume metrics including how many times your seed keyword was searched for last month, as well as a 12-month average and the highest and lowest peaks. The CPC card shows the average cost per click value for your keyword. Simply put, this is how much advertisers pay each time someone clicks an ad targeting your keyword. The Keyword Ideas card shows the number of keyword ideas WriterZen has generated using Google's keyword database and Google Keyword Suggest. This is a preview of the data inside the Keyword Data tab, which we'll get into in a moment. The Total Search Volume card shows the total search volume for all the relevant keywords. And in the bottom panel, we have the Keyword Data and Insights panel. The Keyword Data tab shows a complete list of keywords relevant to your seed keyword. Below the main tab, there are 4 tabs: Total, Phrase Match, Having Same Terms, and Also Search For. The Total tab shows all the variations of your seed keyword and their related metrics. The Phrase Match tab shows the number of keyword ideas that include your keyword in the exact order they are written. The Having Same Terms tab shows the number of keyword phrases that include your keyword in any order. And the Also Search For tab shows the number of related keywords that users have also searched for alongside your keyword. Below that, you have a set of basic and advanced filters. You can use these filters to narrow down and shape your keyword lists when working inside any of the 4 tabs. And you can click any keyword inside the Keyword Data tab to expand it and see detailed metrics and information for that keyword. To learn more about these filters and metrics, you can check out this lesson on basic filters, how to utilize the filters section to get your ideal keyword list. The Insights tab shows content ideas divided into groups of closely related search queries. From here, you can find out what questions people are asking and plan your content accordingly to provide helpful answers. These categories include questions. These are frequently asked questions Google shows in the SERPs, grouped by the type of question: what, where, when, why, who, how, etc. You can expand each card to explore the results in more detail. I can see some interesting keywords with a steady trend that I would add to a list for consideration. What's a good nutrition plan and what nutrition plan is best for me? You can see the second one has a high CPC score. Advertisers are paying quite a bit for this keyword, which is a good indicator that there's money in this market. Prepositions. These show results in which there is at least one preposition. For example, with, for, without, etc. For my search, I have only one type of question, can. Comparisons. These show results in which there are comparative words. There are 3 cards for my search, 2 which show very little volume. Let's explore the better card. The 3 questions with some trend data appear to be brand related, so I would move on in this case. Alphabet. These show results in which there is a single letter. Here I see what looks like a great keyword pulling in around 1,000 searches per month. O-positive blood type diet meal plan. If we expand this card, we can see advertisers are paying a decent amount here. Numerical. These show results in which there is a number. Here I can see some good potential keywords. 1,000 calorie diet, 1 week diet, and 1 month diet plan are keywords I would consider. That's keyword search and the different types of data it provides. In future lessons, we'll be diving deeper into the SEO rabbit hole to show you how exactly you can use this data to gather the best keywords for your target audience and your content plan. And in the next lesson, we'll be taking a deep dive into the domain search tab. But in the meantime, do play with the keyword search and see what kind of keyword opportunities you can unearth.